have a printhead with a bad impression. What can I do? A. I can buy a new printhead. Yes, sure, but this option implies a high cost for my company, since it has a very high cost, plus paying the custom tax. In addition, a lot of bureaucratic work to prepare all the important documentation. Even worse, I also increase the amount of unusable heads, which is harmful to the environment since I'm not recycling. B. I can regenerate the printheads, cleaning them. With this measure, we save a lot of money in costs and labor. Above all, I recycle the useless heads, collaborating with the environment. Then my decision is clear. Regenerate printheads is the best option to solve this situation. People and technology, a world leader in the recovery of industrial printheads systems, takes a definitive step with CleanJector and Ink Tester, two products that give our customers the most complete and professional solution when it comes to recovering printheads with total reliability, returning the print quality even to those that until now were discarded. Our collaboration with large influencers of this technology, such as Seiko, Konica Minolta, and others, speak of the versatility of our product range, its simplicity of use, the automation of the process, and the maximum level of efficiency. We are referring to an internationally patented technology which works with the highest eco-efficient standards. Safety during the process is the key, avoiding the breakage of printheads at all times. Thanks to its versatility, it allows the cleaning and recovering of all the brands and models, as well as its compatibility with all types of inks. New model is available for water-based inks. Its multi-language interface allows our presence in more than 30 countries. The recovery of industrial printing heads is already a reality thanks to the work and consistent research of people and technology, always at the forefront of innovation, to offer the best solutions to its customers. Remember that by regenerating printheads is helping the planet to have less industrial waste. People and technology. We add future.